Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to do a really cool yet really easy trick so you can blow your friends' minds. Without further ado, let's get into it. So all you're going to need is a regular deck of cards. It can be borrowed, can be shuffled up. Just a regular deck of cards. Oh, was that your card? So just a regular deck of cards. Just the spectator would tell me whenever to stop. So let's say right there. So we're going to take the card that the spectator selected, and that is what you chose. I will look away, and then we will take it, put it in the middle of the pack, and I have no breaks as you can see. And we'll just give the pack a little shuffle. And so your card somewhere in the middle of the deck. And what we're going to do to find it is we are going to take the cards and then just mix them up, face down. This may seem a little weird because usually it takes a while to get these sorted back out, but trust me, this is really effective. And there. So as you can see, we have some that are face up, face down, and then some that are face to back, and then a few that are probably, where is one of those? Ah, there, we have some that are even back to back. So all we gotta do is give a snap for absolutely no reason at all, and then we'll find that every single card is facing one direction. Oh, looks like I missed one. Was your card the 10 of hearts? Here, I'll show you how to do it. So all you need for this is a genuinely regular deck of cards. You can borrow one, you can let the spectators shuffle it. It is genuinely a regular deck of cards. So how you do it is, first you need to get the spectator to select a card, and then you need to control it to the bottom of the deck without them knowing. So I'm going to show you how I did that there. So I had the spectator stop whenever they wanted, so right there, and what I did was a double lift. So that is essentially picking one card up as two. So I did this. Spectator would think they picked the 8 of spades, not spades, diamonds, and then, but it really is 2 cards. So then I put it back on the top of this packet, then pick the other card up and put it in the middle, then their selected card is on top. Then you may be thinking, oh, that's the top, not the bottom. How are we going to get it there? Well, it's simple. Just do a simple overhand shuffle while just pulling the first card for the first one, and then just doing a regular overhand shuffle on top. For the shuffling face up to face down, it's really simple. It's called a slop shuffle. What you do is you pull some off, flip it over, then pull some back on. It looks like you're mixing them randomly face up to face down, but what you're actually doing is making a divide where it's split, where there's some face up and some face down. It looks really convincing, yet you're not actually mixing them up that much. So let me just complete this. And then once you get to the bottom card, which is their selected card, you place that on top face down. So these are face up, put this one on face down. Then you go and proceed to, say we have some that are face up, face down, or back to face. Then you say you have some that are face to back, and some that are even back to back. And then to flip the cards around, since it's a divide where you have half of them face up, half of them face down, you just flip these cards over and toss them on top. It's that simple. And then you can do a little bit of patter, saying snap my fingers, whatever you want to do there, and then spread the cards face up. A lot of people I see, they spread the cards face down, but I don't like that because they see their card immediately, and that just doesn't have any suspense at all. So what I like to do is I like to go slowly to build suspense, and then they see that one face down card, they don't know what it is, and then just like, was your card the 8 of diamonds? And then they go crazy. Really great trick. Couple other tips is when you're doing the overhand shuffle, Do not do it like this with the cards facing this way, because any spectators you have on this side will see it and they're gonna be like, hey, what's that doing over there? What you should do instead is take the cards and do this so it's facing towards you more. So anyone that could see it is behind you, and usually you don't have spectators behind you. And then for the slop shuffle, a lot of people I've heard tell you to just do a few at a time to keep it neat. It's called a slop shuffle, so no, don't do that. That is horrible advice. Take a good bunch and then flip it over. You can be sloppy, that's literally in the name. So just keep doing that until it's done. If you just do a few at a time, it'll also take forever and your spectators will hate you, so that's up to you. And then another thing is that when you're finding the ones showing back to face, take the first one, so back to face, do that immediately, and then open one spot, and then close it, then open another, and then say face to back, because if you do it immediately, it's going to look like you know where every single card is and what their orientation is. And, well, you do, but you don't want to show that. So then you delay a little bit and say face to back, and then delay even more when you say back to back, because then those ones are even rarer, so just delay a little bit more. Then toss it on top, do it smoothly. It doesn't really have to be a stressful situation, and then you can show that, and you are done. You have successfully blown everyone's mind, and you are now the most interesting person in the room. I mentioned earlier about the double lift, and I didn't really go into too in-depth about it, but if you would like me to do that, then leave a like or comment below about it. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, I have another one, probably somewhere up here, wherever, I don't know where I'm going to put it, but I have another one about how to switch a card between the jokers really cleanly. It's really cool. You're probably not going to see it anywhere else because it's a trick that I came up with myself, so it's probably one of the only spots you're going to find it, and it's really cool, and thanks for watching.